Taurus Pistols, a fusion of Brazilian engineering and affordability, offer a wide array of handguns catering to diverse shooters. Established in 1939, Taurus is known for its commitment to innovation and value. These pistols boast a blend of reliability, features, and competitive pricing, making them accessible to a broad audience. With a range of models in various calibers, Taurus pistols provide a reliable choice for self-defense, concealed carry, and sport shooting, earning a significant presence in the firearms market. Number 6. Taurus GX4 T.O.R.O 9mm Optic-Ready Micro-Compact Pistol. A compact powerhouse that combines versatility with modern technology. Chambered in 9mm, this micro-compact pistol offers a 10+1 or 11+1 round capacity, striking a balance between size and firepower. The T.O.R.O variant features a milled slide, ready to accept popular micro-red dot optics, enhancing accuracy and sight acquisition. The ergonomic grip, textured for a secure hold, and a crisp, smooth trigger pull ensure a comfortable and precise shooting experience. The Taurus GX4 T.O.R.O is designed for concealed carry and personal protection, embodying Taurus' dedication to providing a reliable and feature-rich firearm suitable for the demands of modern-day carry, while offering the convenience of optic customization for improved accuracy and rapid target engagement. Number 5. Taurus G3 T.O.R.O. A blend of reliability and modern customization. Chambered in 9mm Luger, the G3 T.O.R.O offers a 15+1 round capacity, providing ample firepower for various applications. Its standout feature is the milled slide ready to accept popular micro-red dot optics, enhancing accuracy and facilitating faster target acquisition. The ergonomic grip with aggressive texturing ensures a secure and comfortable hold during shooting. The Taurus G3 T.O.R.O comes equipped with a smooth, crisp trigger and 3 adjustable backstraps, allowing for a personalized shooting experience. Designed for practicality and adaptability, this pistol stands as a testament to Taurus' commitment to delivering reliable and customizable firearms, making it a favored choice for both newcomers and seasoned shooters alike. Number 4. Taurus GX4XL. A compact yet potent 9mm pistol that embodies Taurus' dedication to innovation and performance. Chambered in 9mm Luger, this firearm boasts an extended 3.25 barrel, combining a longer sight radius with a compact frame for enhanced accuracy and handling. The GX4XL offers 11+1 round capacity, ensuring ample firepower. The ergonomic grip and aggressive texturing provide a secure hold and comfortable shooting experience, making it ideal for concealed carry. Featuring an accessory rail for customization and equipped with a smooth, crisp trigger, it excels in accuracy and versatility. The Taurus GX4XL stands as a testament to Taurus' commitment to delivering feature-rich and reliable firearms, catering to individuals seeking a powerful and concealable pistol that doesn't compromise on performance. Number 3. Taurus G3c. A compact powerhouse that embodies Taurus' commitment to delivering a reliable and feature-rich firearm. Chambered in 9mm Luger, this pistol offers a 10+1 or 12+1 round capacity, striking a balance between size and firepower. The G3c stands out with its ergonomic grip, featuring aggressive texturing that ensures a secure and comfortable hold. Equipped with a crisp trigger, adjustable rear sights, and a loaded chamber indicator, it's designed for ease of use and accuracy. The Taurus G3c is further enhanced by its compatibility with the Taurus Performance Trigger System, PTS, allowing shooters to customize their trigger feel. Whether for everyday carry or range shooting, the Taurus G3c showcases Taurus' dedication to providing a reliable and accessible firearm, making it a popular choice for those seeking a compact yet high-performing 9mm pistol. Number 2. Taurus SPECTRUM 380 Auto Micro Pistol. A micro pistol that redefines concealability and comfort without compromising on performance. Chambered in 380 ACP, this sleek and compact firearm is designed to seamlessly blend into your daily routine. The standout feature of the Taurus SPECTRUM is its customizable grip with soft touch panels, providing a personalized and ergonomic hold for optimal control and accuracy. The low-profile sights and snag-free design ensure effortless draw and reholstering. Additionally, the gun's double-action-only DAO trigger and integrated striker system offer a smooth and consistent trigger pull. Combining style, innovation, and reliability, the Taurus SPECTRUM 380 Auto is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, easy-to-conceal micro-pistol for self-defense in any setting. Number 1. Taurus TH45. A robust and powerful 45 ACP pistol that embodies Taurus' commitment to performance and reliability. Built for duty and self-defense, the TH45 boasts a 10+1 round capacity, offering substantial firepower. The ergonomic polymer grip with aggressive stippling ensures a comfortable and secure hold during shooting. Equipped with a Picatinny accessory rail, it allows for customization with lights or lasers. The Novak 3 dot sights provide quick and precise target acquisition. The TH45 features a smooth, crisp trigger pull, enhancing accuracy. The Taurus TH45 stands as a testament to Taurus' dedication to providing a reliable and potent 45 ACP pistol, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking a high-capacity firearm with stopping power for both professional and personal use.